How to add post to story on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can add Instagram post to story, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to add Instagram post to your story, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to actually launch the Instagram application here. Once you launch the Instagram app, you will be able to see this type of interface here, where what you need to do is just select a certain post that you want to add to your story. So let me just select a certain post over here. Once you've done that, you can just tap on the DM icon here, and then you'll find the option called add to story from the bottom. So when you tap on the add to story option, you should be able to add this particular post to your story. This way you can go ahead and then basically add Instagram post to story. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.